Hey, in a previous video I showed you how to add Google Ads location extension, and right now I'll show you how to add Google Ads affiliate location extension. First time I heard about that, so let's try. Go to your dashboard, click plus sign, go to affiliate location extension, and let's see how does it work. Probably I have been reading this location extension work for stores. As you see over here, we can learn where is using generate retailers, United States. So it is for basically for retail stores or companies who has at least one location. For example, if you are Walmart, you need to make sure if person locally looking for location at Walmart, it will give you a proper location and it's shown available at store nearby. You probably notice when you go to Sam's Club or Walmart or Lowe's, it will show you the closest location of these stores. Again, it's for the large companies. You need to have a Goolge MyBusiness page to integrate with that. So again, if you need help with affiliate location extensions, please do let me know. I'm more than happy to help. Comment below if you have questions, or contact with me directly by visiting our website, discovermybusiness.co. And as well as don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And I will see you in the next video where I'll explain about price extensions, which is really relevant to the businesses who are e-commerce. See you there. Bye.